Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to recover your Roblox account step by step if you've lost access due to a forgotten password. So, here's how you can do it. First of all, open up your Roblox application on your smartphone, or you may also visit roblox.com and get to the sign-in page. From the interface of your mobile device, go ahead and tap on Sign In at the bottom, and in the Sign In area, go ahead and write down your email, username or phone number associated with your Roblox account. After typing down one of these, tap on Next. On the next page, you'll be asked to type down your password. If you don't remember your password, all you need to do is to tap on Forgot Your Password at the bottom. Now, enter your username, email or phone number on the next page and click Next. Also, enter an email or phone number that may be associated with your account and click Next. You'll receive a 6-digit verification code to the email address you provided. Go ahead and check the email inbox and also make sure to check the trash. After you receive a Roblox account password reset email, go ahead and copy the code inside it. Get back to Roblox app and paste in the 6-digit code. Once you do that, choose the account you want to recover on the next page. And then on the next page, write down a new password that is different from the old one in the first field. After you are done, confirm the new password in the next field once again. And finally click on Update Password. Now you will be able to reset your password to a new one. You can now log in using your new password and email. Now go ahead and type down your new password whenever prompted, and you will then be able to recover your Roblox account password. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.